I'm excited because today I'm doing my first unboxing of a pew-pew.
Hey there, New Gun Nation. My name is Troy, and this past year, my wife Amy and I joined the ranks of 8.4 million people that bought their first firearm. Yeah, you heard me right. Over 8 million Americans bought their first gun in 2020. We didn't get into shooting just because of the craziness in the world. See, Amy and I were looking for something to do together as a couple, and boy did we find it. Guns have gotten a bad rap, but in the hands of law-abiding citizens, they can be fun and empowering. I'm stoked you're joining us on this journey as we grow together in the New Gun Nation.
Okay, so it's been just over a year since Mama and I got into the pew-pews, and I'm excited because today I got another one, and I'm gonna share it with you. It was my birthday, and I didn't think I would get one, but I did. And it's my first official unboxing. Are you ready? Yeah, buddy. It's the Bug Assault 2.5 Camo Fly. I'll put some cool music in here. All right, so I wanted to open this thing so badly yesterday. It was my birthday, but I wanted to wait for the weather to be good, and also, I need to take it outside because it's for killing flies. Okay, so you may not know about this device. You may live where there aren't as many bugs as there are here in Minnesota. Our state bird is the mosquito. This thing is a two-way Flyswatter, baby. What you do is you put table salt in it and you pump it. There's no batteries needed. And I'm gonna unbox this thing right now. Okay. Yeah, it's my switch pliers. It's SOG. I'm not endorsed. Okay. You know, when you buy a gun at Shields, they carry it out for you. You can't carry the gun out of the store, they carry it out. And I wasn't there when they got this, but I don't think, maybe they didn't get it at Shields. But if they did, I wonder if somebody had to carry this bad boy out. Yeah. So right off the bat, I've seen videos on this thing. It was like a smaller pistol version. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Size does matter, and I think it's cool. The other cool thing is they picked this up with it, and it's a little laser sight. Well, it's not a laser. It's a little LED red light, but you can mount it on the front so it can help you with sighting. Although, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the full sunlight. So we're gonna do a full review on this thing. I'm gonna do 1,000 rounds out of this thing, and we're gonna find out if this thing can hold up. Okay, it says treat the gun as if it's a loaded firearm at all times. So all the 4 rules, you know? Don't point this thing at anything you don't want to kill. Know the state of the gun, if it's loaded or armed. Know your target and its surroundings. And most important, keep your finger off the trigger. This thing actually does work from what I've seen in videos, so I'm excited to test it out. And I have some flies around today, so hopefully I can get a camera op to help me, because I don't think I can hold a camera and shoot this thing at the same time. Got some table salt here. There's a little deal right there. Gonna pour some in. It says it'll do up to 80 shots. And then something happens with this rear side. I think this might pop up. There's a little orange deal right in there. When you pump it, yep, sure enough. There it is. There's the sight. The rear sight just popped up. So I know it's loaded. And I think it won't fire unless you have this all the way forward. All right, so I'm loaded, armed and loaded. This is, I think, the safety on the, it's a thumb throw. I got a safety on it. It's pretty wild. Okay, well, we'll have to find out. I'm gonna shoot it kind of at the house, maybe off camera here. Oh yeah. Man, I gotta do a slow-mo of that. That's gonna be cool. Now I just need a fly. And I'm gonna keep it real. I just cleaned some dog poo off the deck, so there's likely to be a couple. There's a fly right there. Here we go, game on. I might have just wounded him. He's a big dude though. Let's swear I need a camera up. See if we can track the fly. We have hornets and stuff too. Apparently this thing will handle it. Don't shoot bees though, because they pollinate, right? I'm not an animal, I'm not a savage. I'm not gonna shoot a bee, but if a hornet comes around, he's done. Again, this is the Bug Assaults 2.5. I guess there's a 3 or maybe a 3.5, but Amy did her research and this is supposed to be the sweet spot right here, the 2.5. And this is in the camo fly finish. I'm gonna stop sweating out here and go inside, and then I'll get you some footage of me shooting something. All right, be blessed.
New Gun Nation. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody that could use it.
No, I'm good. I know, I'm sweating like a stuck pig. My wife's, Amy's worried about me. Sweet thing. I may have shot around at the sliding glass door.